Welcome to Connecting Eyes, a fun and interactive game designed to build trust, enhance communication, and strengthen group connections. Let's show you how to play. First, have all participants stand in a circle. Make sure there's enough space for everyone to move around safely. The goal is to connect through eye contact and movement. Step 1. Each participant looks across the circle and makes eye contact with someone. This connection is the key to the game. Step 2. Once eye contact is established, the pair walks across the circle, exchanging positions without breaking eye contact. It's a fun challenge, so stay focused. Step 3. To make it more dynamic, several pairs can exchange positions simultaneously. The group's goal is to ensure that everyone gets involved in the exchange. Start by playing in silence, focusing on eye contact and movement. Once the group gets the hang of it, add a new layer, exchange greetings or compliments when meeting in the middle of the circle. This makes the activity more fun and meaningful. Remember, physical contact is not allowed during the exchange. Stay aware of others to ensure a safe and smooth game for everyone. And that's how you play Silent Connections. This simple yet powerful activity encourages connection, teamwork, and fun. Ready to give it a try? Gather your group and let the connections begin.